welcome back to my cooking channel, Cooking Time with Daniela. Today we'll be making chicken shawarma. These are the ingredients we are using. We are using paprika, chicken shawarma seasoning, a little curry, salt, powder onions, the powder garlic, and black pepper. And we're also using a chicken seasoning just for the taste. And we have 1.9 kilo for chicken breast, almost 2 kilo of chicken breast. It's 8 pieces. So I'm just trying to slice it to make it flat, so liquid done. You can do yours like that, just to, if you want it big. But I'm just slicing it this way to make sure it cook fast for me. So, and after cutting it like this, I will still have to do this to all of them. So, I can also leave it this way. We have 1 cup of yogurt. I'm just adding the yogurt in a bowl, so I mix all the ingredients together. So all the ingredients are going together. So I'm adding this oil to it. Don't mind the color, because I use it to measure paprika. I never washed it, so yeah, since they are all going to the same way, I don't see any reason to do that. Just mix them together. So we still need some oil. So I add 1 more. And I'll be adding the pepper flakes. This pepper do not spice. If you want your to be spicy, that's fine. Yeah, we're done. So after mixing all together, when I'm putting them together with the chicken, then mix them. You can see it mixed properly. At this point, I will leave it for like 1 hour. If you have time, you can do it overnight. Well, I only have 1 hour to give for today. Thank you. So now cover it and then wait for 1 hour later. So we passed 1 hour. It's time for me to start fixing it. So you can see we really marinate well. But if you do it overnight, it will be good. As I said, I don't have I didn't plan for that. So I'll be using yam for base. You can use potato or whatever you have. So I will add onion. Okay. You will see some bigger and some flatter one. But the most important thing, we're going to hang all of them. Just the same thing. Just only add the onions for the middle. And then continue hanging them. Even all these little ones that they are falling, you just hang them because you will need them to be there too. So my hand gloves are pop up. If this up one do not really necessary, but if you want to do it, you can do it. Yeah, so we're done. Okay. Okay, we're done. Look at it. We leave it here for 2 hours and a half. So what I just removing the yam. Yeah, so just really done till inside. So yeah, we are done for today. Thank you for watching to this the end part of the shawarma, chicken shawarma. This can take us 2 weeks for school. Just we just ripe them separate and put them in the freezer. That's what we usually do. Yeah, I will cut all those ones. Don't see that big chunk, but I just want to cut the inside. Remember this yam, we have yam under, and we also have what they call it, onion in between. Yes, this is the end. Let me just ripe this one. Thank you, everyone. God bless you so much. Please help us to share and like, subscribe if you've never subscribed. Thank you. I have two type of bread, the one like pocket one and the regular one. So I will just use the pocket one